Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Stool. Now I have this 2019 Audi A7. I'm about to show you how to reset the oil life. Alright? For that, you just gotta go to the screen. Go vehicle. Then go settings and service. Scroll down. Service intervals. Reset. Are you sure you want to reset the oil change interval? Yes, reset now. Press it, and that's how you reset the oil life in this 2019 Audi A7. Alright? Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and please, the feedback, please put it in the comment box. Alright? Have a good day. Take care. See you in the next one. Holla at your boy, Astu. Hey, boom.